Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Notion AI for task and database automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Notion AI for task and database automation, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Notion website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Settings and Members option on the left sidebar. Click on Settings and Members to access the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Click on the Integrations tab to view available integrations for your workspace. Next, look for the option to create a new integration. Click on Create New Integration to begin the authorization process. You will need to give your integration a name. Choose a descriptive name to help you identify it later. Select the correct workspace for the integration. Make sure you choose the workspace where you want to use Notion AI. Set the appropriate permissions for your integration. Typically, you will need to choose read and write access to fully utilize Notion AI. After setting the permissions, click on Submit to create the integration. A unique integration token will be generated for you. Copy this token and keep it secure, as you will need it for the next step. Now, open your Notion workspace where the automation will take place. In the workspace, find the database or pages you want to automate with Notion AI. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the database or page. Select Add a View or Configure to access the automation settings. Look for the option to connect or link your integration. Paste the integration token you copied earlier into the required field. Once done, click Authorize or Connect to finalize the authorization. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the authorization was successful. Now, you can start utilizing Notion AI for your task and database automation. Explore the features available to enhance your productivity. Experiment with commands and automations to get the most out of Notion AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.